powerful Yampa River rushes west out of the Rocky Mountains, carving a deep canyon into the ancient sandstone of the rugged northern edge of the high desert country of the Colorado Plateau. The Yampa River is the last undammed major tributary of the Colorado River system. The amount of water in the river varies throughout the year, with the highest rates and biggest water in May and June. Because the Yampa River is still linked to the cycle of the seasons, the Yampa River is still wild.